YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a 655 HP Stryker right out of the box, new out of the box for Keith. Keith ordered this radio brand new, asked for us to set it up for us, do the works like we always do, and that's what we did. So anyway, we've got it on the signette here. We're going to start out here, and where we always start out, and we're going to take her down. Just a little bit. Got a super quiet receiver. And we come in negative 110 at 12 dB. Let's go ahead and take her down. Let's see. It's falling out about negative 120. You can definitely hear it good there. Well, actually, a little further than negative 120. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the TX. We're going to gauge the tone. Let's turn this down so we ain't got to listen to it. Alright, we got her on 50 kilohertz, looking good. Looking good on the scope, everything's looking good. So we're going to take that out to 50 megahertz. And I'll take it out to 100. Well, we can go to 100 megahertz. That's fine. 125. Everything's looking good. Looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good all the way around. We'll go 300. Looking good at 300. Alright, man. Okay, so we're going to get it out of here. And we're going to get off that. Marconi says we're doing about 112% modulation, and I went a little tight because with the tone, and I'm setting this up for noise canceling microphones, so that's why we do that. Anyway, alright, so I'm going to pause it and hook a mic up. Give me just a second. Okay, we're back. We got the mic hooked up. Let's see if we can listen to it through this old crappy 29 speaker. Hello, radio. Oh, it ain't working. Hello, radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check. Yeah, sounds a little raspy coming to that speaker, but we need to put a quality speaker on there. I need to remind myself between radios. I've got 2 or 3 more to go before I can go home tonight. I'm going to run out there and grab my bench external speaker and put it back where it goes. So, hello. Got a little echo in there. And we'll just demonstrate, these echoes. Hello. 1, 2. Hello. Got a little more in there now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Oh, a little feedback. Oh, close proximity feedback. 1, 2. Audio check. So, okay. So, where we got you set up real quick, Keith, just want to show you your variable power all the way up. Variable power all the way up. Is 15 watts. Okay. Variable power all the way down. And key the mic. It's about a watt. 1.2 watts is what it's showing. So that's where we've got you set up. So you got a wide range there. Plenty of adjustment to fit just about any of your needs. So, and she'll maintain about 112% modulation across the board. Well, that's with the tone. Actually, not with the noise canceling mic in your voice. It kind of depends on your voice. Should be somewhere around 100% for you at all times. So, all right. Well, we're going to get out of here. We got a lot to do. Got several more to go before we can go home today. Y'all have a good one. Be safe, be careful, be kind. We're going out there to get our external speaker out of the truck. Where we doing some real world testing. Oop, my nasty bench here. And get that back on here where it belongs. So y'all have a good one. And y'all stay tuned. Got a lot coming up. Gotta go.